At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a drone business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are 10 tips to help you establish and grow a successful drone business. 1. Understand the regulations. Familiarize yourself with the regulations and laws governing drone operations in your region. Obtain any necessary licenses or certifications and ensure compliance with local aviation authorities. 2. Identify your niche. Determine the specific niche or industry you want to target with your drone services. Whether it's aerial photography, agriculture, construction, or surveying, specializing in a particular area can help you stand out in the market. 3. Invest in quality equipment. Purchase reliable and high-quality drone equipment. The performance and capabilities of your drones will directly impact the quality of your services and your business's reputation. 4. Build a strong portfolio. Develop a portfolio showcasing your drone work. Include high-quality photos, videos, and case studies that demonstrate your skills and expertise. This portfolio will be crucial when attracting clients and investors. 5. Network and collaborate. Establish connections within your industry and local community. Attend relevant events, join professional organizations, and collaborate with other businesses to expand your network and create potential partnerships. 6. Insurance and liability. Invest in insurance coverage for your drone business. Accidents can happen, and having the right insurance will protect you from potential liabilities and financial losses. 7. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong online presence through a professional website and social media channels. Use these platforms to showcase your work, engage with potential clients, and build a reputable brand for your drone business. 8. Offer training and education. Consider offering training courses or workshops in drone operation and regulations. This can provide an additional revenue stream and position your business as an authority in the field. 9. Stay updated on technology. Keep up with advancements in drone technology. Regularly update your equipment and stay informed about new features and capabilities that could give you a competitive edge in the market. 10. Provide excellent customer service. Prioritize excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Respond promptly to inquiries, communicate effectively with clients, and strive to exceed their expectations. Satisfied clients are more likely to become repeat customers and refer your services to others. Remember that the drone industry is dynamic, so adaptability and a commitment to ongoing learning will contribute to the long-term success of your drone business. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.